What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning back into another video of ours. So this video is gonna kind of be a little all over the place. I've done a pretty poor job of getting video intros and outros and knowing what my video subject is going to be about. At the beginning, I just kind of recording what I could while I was working on the shop, and so we're still in that phase where we don't really have defined videos. It's just my progress and what I've been doing. So I hope you enjoy this video. And please like and subscribe. What's going on, everybody? We finally got the shop painted. Took a while, but it's there. Still some things left to do. You can hear the trees up against the metal building. Still got to get that addressed. Have some touch-up places to paint, but overall, I'm excited we've gotten this far. If you saw any of the videos before, you see how bad it was. And so, pretty excited. So, all right, it is move-in day. We are here. Already have some storage shelves in here. We got a trailer full of stuff that needs to get unloaded. Found a few issues with the place. It rained a little bit, so we have some water leaks we need to address. Lots of bugs and dirt have already found their way back in here, so we need to get that addressed, but all in due time. Have some paint touch-ups to do, but overall I'm really excited with how it's turned out so far. And so yeah, I'm gonna set up a time lapse to see if I can't get some of these built. We'll see how it goes. I think some of the shelving units aren't quite the right size, the pieces that go on, so I guess we'll figure that out together. Well, I got a problem. I thought some of them might fit. I didn't know none of them were gonna not fit. So, a couple things. One, this short piece here, longer than that one, longer than these two. This all seems to have went together pretty well. I'm not gonna be able to put a top rack on that one, not right now at least. We got different types of panels. This one over here matches up with most of these over here. Some of them have very tight hole spacings like we have here. And then some of them might be a little tricky to see on camera. Like this one has very big hole spacings. However, they're about the same size, right? They're the same height, same width, everything. So I think that's just the spacing. That's no big deal. Then we have another type of panel. We have this one over here and this one over here. They are the same as far as I can tell, and they will actually fit on this rack But they take up like, 60% of it, so I can't put two side by side. So I can't do that. And then these won't actually fit anywhere. These won't go, they won't go either direction. I can't get them, one, obviously they go one direction, right? You need to make sure they're braced up against our channeling up in here. But they won't fit there at all. So I'm stuck with all these. I won't work with anything. I'm stuck with only being able to put one shelving unit on here with no actual, this is me just mocking up one of these panels on here. That obviously isn't gonna go. So I can't put anything on this one, and I can only put the two shelves on this one on either level. So like I'm pretty much stuck with no shelving at this point, which sucks because I was about to bring in some equipment and store it for now. So now I gotta go back to the guy who sold it to me. He had a huge load. He had 4 of these total. He gave me half of them. And I'm hoping that there was just a mix up with maybe they were different sizes and I got the wrong paneling, I hope. But this was a couple weeks ago. I don't even know if he has the other set anymore. So I'll give you an update when I have one. All right, guys, working on the nest again. It's blistering hot today. It's 96, which it's been hotter, but it's 96. So right now, let me show you what I got. I got 2 of these big 36-inch exhaust fans. That one's already open out of the box. This one's here. So we're going to try to put those up back here and over here. So I already got the hole, not the hole. I got the hole kind of marked out with marker where I want it. It's 37-inch hole. It's my scaffolding. I don't know if you can see the lines up there. A little bit, right around there. Anyway. I'm trying to get that cut out. Hopefully it all goes as planned. And we'll get some ventilation in here, man. There's nothing in here at all in terms of ventilation. I guess there's a little bit of stuff up here, but they don't seem to be doing that much. And they're passive, they're not active. So got 2 of these fans. They are each rated to like 9,000 square feet and 6,100 CFM. And so we should have plenty of airflow in here. And hopefully it makes a big difference. So instead of time lapse, you can watch me try to drill and cut this out, and hopefully it goes well. Hopefully it fits. As stated earlier in this video, I did a pretty bad job about intros and outros and following up on projects and tasks I was working on. So let me give you a quick update on the exhaust fans. So I got this one cut. I got the shutters installed. I got the fan itself installed, which was extremely heavy and hard to do while standing up on that shelving unit. My brother did come and help with the second one, which was great. And so they're now both up and running, and they are wonderful. They really provide lots of airflow.